Hi guys, Jeff here from TAT with an interesting job that we've got in the workshop today. We've got an interesting car here. It's a VW Golf. It's a 2011 Mark 1 or 1K Mark 6 model with the turbo diesel. It's the 2-litre CFFB motor. Now it's had ongoing issues with the DPF, the diesel particulate filter. It's been often cleaned, but it keeps on sooting up too quickly. So we've been having a look at it, and basically the problem is it's not getting up to temperature. So the car's running normally about 65 degrees, should be running at 90 degrees. So the temperature gauge is not getting up to temperature. So interestingly enough, we used our own website, and thanks to Anthony Tidd who put us onto this particular issue that's on our website. If you go to our website, this is where the beauty of the TAT website comes in handy. We've gone to the website here. I've logged in as myself, Jeff Smith, and all I've done is in the main search box on the home page, I've written in there VW Golf temperature. So again, if we then search our website for that, we can then see that what will come up is information in regards to what has come up. It's telling us that we've got 6 magazine articles, 2 repair solutions relating to a VW Golf with low temperature or temperature related issues. First one up there, issue 70, VW Golf with low coolant. So again, once we just click on that blue symbol there, it'll then bring that article up. We don't have to go and find the edition. We can just click on that, and then that'll bring up the article for us. And then we can print it straight off our off the website onto your printer. So what I've actually done is printed that off, and again it's coming up. It's just loading there now. It's come up with that particular article. Now Anthony's spent a bit of time diagnosing the one he had originally, but basically it boils down to an additional little thermostat in the car, and this is the transmission thermostat. So it sits virtually directly above the gearbox, just underneath the airbox here, sits in there, and there's a transmission cooler above the transmission. So this particular unit, open all the time, so it's not closing up. So it's allowing coolant flow even when the car's cold. Especially in winter, when the temperature's a bit colder, it keeps the engine temperature down. So this car is running at a cool temperature of 60, 65 degrees pretty much all the time. So it was on a choke on the enrichment phase all the time, therefore producing more soot than it should have. So one little thermostat available from VW. Part number is actually written in the article there, 1KO1211113A. So available about $87 from VW. So put that one in this particular car yesterday. We've now run the car. It gets up to temperature nice and quickly, up to 90 degrees, and stays basically bang on 90 where it should be. So cooling systems now, it's critical with the later model vehicles that they run on the correct temperature. If they're running too cold, it's going to cause all sorts of issues, especially in the diesels. We're going to produce more soot. We're going to cause DPF issues. So just be wary of that. Next time you're looking at any DPF issues, making sure the car is running up to temperature. So, just a point on that one, use the website. The search bar is there exactly for that reason. The amount of information we've got on there now is unbelievable. Little things like this that you wouldn't have thought of, you'll be able to find on the website. Little thermostat, an additional one in this particular car, fixes the temperature gauge problem. See you next time.